Dharmesh, let's address the elephant in the room, and that's the fourth quarter performance of Reliance Industries. Of course, data is pretty well known across the board, but let me, for the benefit of our viewers, highlight a couple of numbers that have come in as far as Reliance is concerned. If you look at the quarterly performance of the fourth quarter, net profit was at 21,243 crore rupees versus 17,265 crore rupees. As far as the comparison is concerned, it has beaten estimates. Margin has slipped a bit to 18% from 18.06% for the fourth quarter. There has been a very sharp increase in EBITDA, as also revenue stood at about 2.37 lakh crores versus 2.25 lakh crores. That was the numbers that have been put in by Reliance Industries. Rameshji, Dharmesh, your initial thoughts on such record performance?
See, Reliance is charting its own trajectory, and if you look at Reliance, it also speaks about our country because it's so much diversified, and the various verticals which has been doing well also speaks about the economic health of the country, how it has been going. And why I say so, because most of its new age businesses or the new businesses which Reliance has poured into, it's just 3 or 4 year old, and see how Reliance Retail has picked up, or Reliance Jio has picked up in a way. Even Jio Financials, which they have now demerged, is doing particularly well in 1 year kind of a profit chart. They have been charting out. So this is likely to continue, and I look at Reliance from a SOTP kind of a valuation. So 1 year target was 3,200, where it is almost there. But if you again, it's like a play which if you are holding it for 3 to 4 years, it's again a doubler. Considering the fact that value unlocking, sorry, value unlocking through different business verticals, be it Geo, that is the telecom division, or the retail division, is still to happen. So that's still forming the base out there. 40 to 15% kind of an overall profit trajectory is very good for Reliance, considering the size at which it is scaling up. And Geo Finances, Geo, the catch point is the 5G rollout which they have done, where they have added almost 10 crore kind of a new subscriber. The tariffs have still not been high, so they are still in that honeymoon phase where you just to get your customers, you give them the freebies. So once those freebies are over, the ARPUs are going to increase significantly from 181.7 to near to 200 kind of a base, where Bharti and all is doing the business out there. So once that happens, there will be again a catapult jump in the profitability of the Geo division. So very good play. O2C, it's cyclical in nature. It depends upon the prices of oil. So that and the gas production which comes into play. So that division still we are not valuing it much. Our own sense is over 3 years period, the retail and Geo and the new energy business which they are now formulating will have a lion's share in the profitability of around 60-65%, which is less than 40% as of now. And O2C will continue to perform where it is. So a very good value buy out there. If you are again holding it for 3 to 5 years kind of a thing, it's again a doubler from current levels. So that's the overall take on Reliance Industries.
Okay. Reliance, ladies and gentlemen, if you see the 1 year performance has appreciated 38% over the past 12 months, and the counter stands at about sub 3,000 rupees. Just a ballpark number, Dharmeshji, what would be your estimate of a 1 year price target on Reliance Industries? We've had a plethora of foreign brokerages coming in with fairly decent upticks. What is your own sense? Where is Reliance headed?
Considering the environment in which we are and how the markets are placed, I don't think we are out of the woods. So that overall overhang of uncertain geopolitical issues and commodity prices flaring up further, adding to inflation and interest rate, all these macro factors will definitely play out. Thankfully, Reliance is insulated for most of them when these businesses are concerned, and any uptick in the energy price is going to help them only in their refining margins and the gas production output. So keeping that in mind, if you after this great run up which we have already seen, and it's a very big company and the largest market cap company, so considering that, in fact, I think around 37 to 3,800 should be a fair estimation going by 1 year kind of a price target.